Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a board and seeding it with content so momentum builds immediately. Open Freeform, tap the plus, and name the board. Once done, pick orientation and invite anyone who needs access. Add images, a PDF, or paste links to provide context. You do this now because an initial structure prevents chaos later. Make sure to place key items near the center so collaborators see them first. Then pause to confirm everyone has access before moving on. Once your board has content, organize it so ideas connect logically. Use the lasso or multi-select to group related items, then resize or pin them to preserve layout. Add annotations with drawing, text boxes, or stickers to explain decisions. This is how you convert scattered notes into actionable steps. Create stacks or frames for sections, and apply color labels to indicate priority or status. If collaboration is active, assign a section to a person so responsibility is clear. To finish, review the board and lock or reorder final items so the layout stays intact. Export a PDF or image for sharing outside the app. Make sure to sync changes and confirm collaborator permissions. If something goes wrong, start by refreshing the board and checking offline mode. Unstable connections often cause missing items. If that fails, check version history and re-invite collaborators to refresh access. These steps close the loop and ensure your Freeform board is complete and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.